it's Viv. Today's tip is to be your own barista. I don't need this. I'm gonna start off with some milk. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. It's plenty. I'm gonna add a little bit of flavoring. I'm just gonna add some caramel because I like a little sweetener. I'm gonna stir it up. Put the lid on and shake it up. Making sure it's really tight, otherwise you're getting a milk bath. You wanna make sure you get a lot of the foam. It's also a morning workout. Nice and foamy, doubled in volume. I'm gonna heat this up in the microwave. So let's go, JP. Make sure when you're about to microwave this, take off the lid. That doesn't work well in microwave metal. I want this until it's hot, so about a minute to 2. Ooh, breakfast, popcorn balls. I'm gonna sugar crash hard. Oh wait, I need coffee, so I wanna fill it halfway, like so. I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna go check on my milk because I just heard the microwave. Ooh, hot and foamy. Okay, and I'm just gonna finish it up. So what I'm gonna do is pour the milk first and then spoon off the foam. I'm gonna finish off with a little more caramel. Perfect. I gotta head out, guys, because I'm running late. Write your comments below and let me know what you want to see next. Have a good day. Bye. I think they should subscribe because they get neat little tips and hacks like these. Food Network, that's what you're subscribing to. Yeah, no confusion there.